Hello, today I'll be testing the data inputs I have. So, looking here, I've said what each data type should be. Now I've added some additional information, or aside from the primary keys underlined. I mean, they're not really involved in data input to be honest, because the user isn't entering anything. That's all on my side. Uh, Only the following are non-nullable. So only the following have to be filled in: street, client name, pet name, drug name. Nice. So, looking at this, let's start here. Let's start with clients. Client name must be filled in, nothing else must. Everything may be a string. Email will be put through further validation to check it's an email format. Phone number will be put through further validation to check it is. So yeah, sorry I got cut off for a sec, but email goes through further validation, check it's an email. Phone number goes through further validation, check it's a phone number. Client name and additional owner both have to be between 1 and 100 characters long. Everything can be left blank apart from client name. So let's go have a look. Let's add a client. Alright. Let's start with nothing. And then we only get the error for here. Jim. We'll add an address later, but oh my gosh, I've got way too many people. I'm just gonna quickly actually delete a couple, but yeah, I had a lot of people. Anyway, as you can see, Jim has in fact been added. Just that, we edit it. There's no different data logic here, but let's say I go Control C, Jim. Sorry, it's up a little, probably above 100. Yep, name of no more than 100 characters is required. So there we are. Let's say I go Jim here. No, Kim. It's the same as above. I'll just gonna leave it for dead because why not? Uh, that's bizarre. But so, no, sorry. Oh, I see. Now it's returning an error fed back to the original bit. Right, that works a bit better. Ignoring that small glitch, that I will need to work on. Phone number. One. What the validator does, and I believe I mentioned this, it gets rid of any non-numeric values and just replaces them with nothing. So this should work. There we are. We edit it. Because this is non-numeric. Boom. Doesn't matter. So that works, you know. We edit it again. Yeah. So there we are. Email. Oh yeah, and I just want to quickly show to you it works, no matter how many special symbols we put in, because in the end of the day, I'm not in charge of naming people, so I thought I'd leave it. Uh, if we go here, there we are, works. But if we do this is an invalid email format. No, it has to be something at something dot something. Numbers don't break it. Yeah. So I believe we've proven that this works. Okay. Next up, addresses. Having a quick look. Is this the right bit? No, this is nothing. Street needs to be filled in, and it can be a string. City has to be text, and it doesn't have to be filled in. Actually, nothing else has to be filled in. So yeah, let's have a look. Let's add an address. Winston Street, 45, Sure, it's a string. As long as it's not more than 100 characters. City is Cardiff, sure. Actually, first of all, let's leave everything blank. Yep, doesn't work. Does it work? Yeah. Alright, good. City, Manchester. I won't bother filling in county or country because they're the same. Same logic. Postcode has to be between 5 and 7 characters, once trimmed to reflect the length of actual postcodes. Of course, it kind of numbers letters too. If it's too short, yep, too long, wouldn't allow it. Call up, so that'll work. Call up fee, let's call it £40. There we are. Uh, it's not the best one here because it does have to be ending with a .00. So, yeah. So yeah, it has to end with 2.00 or at point any other decimal. So yeah, that's a quick go over of that. Again, I won't go over country, county, and country because that's the same city, same logic. All right, go back. What next? Let's have a look at pets. Pet name must be filled in. Nothing else must. Date of birth, date, month, year. Species, string, breed string, so the same as to be honest, client name, additional owner. As long so I won't bother testing those. I'll just make sure they can be definite, because I've already gone over it, but I don't want to waste your time. Sex, it doesn't have to be filled in. It's a button. It's enum. So choose between nothing, male, female. Microchip number has to be between 5 and 30 character numbers long. The length varies between manufacturers. So I could not put a definitive value in, so I just gave a reasonable range. I'd be surprised if it went so high or low, but I don't want any errors to happen. And then health issue, just a string with no limit on its length. So let's go have a look. First of all, let's start off with nothing. Yeah, it doesn't like that. Pet name needs to be there. Barney. One sec. Small problem I'll just quickly fix. Oh yeah, I fixed the issue. Microchip number, it has to be set to 0 just for how it's stored. I had something that did it, I removed it because I thought it was unnecessary, but quickly add it back and now it works. So, yeah. Now if I edit it, it has to be input in this value, and it has to be a real date. So let's say 2002. Show you. So that's a real date, I believe, and it is. Let's call it a fish for piranha. I thought it was a use male. Here we are. Sword tooth. I don't know. There we are. All seems to work. Let's have a quick look. So I believe I've shown that for the sex, the button works no matter what you choose. If you don't choose either option, date of birth, you have to put it in that way. If you don't put it in that format, or if you put it in it's real, it will tell you. So that's very good species. I won't go over it because it's the same as county, same with breed. So yeah, I think I'm happy I've covered that. What else do we have to look at? We have to look at, here we are. And as prescriptions and drugs have not fully been completed yet, I shall leave that off until in future I have a proper way of collecting them. Alright, thank you. That is my... Oh, one sec.